I want it like round with bangs. Okay, stop. It's good. Today feels like a very unhinged day. It's Sunday. I woke up and I just really felt like I can't wait anymore. I really wanted a new shape for my hair. I booked an appointment with the people that normally cut my hair, but they've put the price up by quite a lot, and I'm trying to save money at the moment, so let's see if I can cut it myself. If it goes well, great. If it doesn't, she can fix it for me. Love you, Shay. I have no idea how I'm gonna do this. Wish me luck. Ooh, I'm scared. I want to keep as much length as possible. I'm talking like I know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm not going to cut the back/bottom bit. This angle, right? It's actually okay, because I'm telling myself it's okay, because I'm actually cutting a lot of the single strand knots. So regardless of if this works, that's a good thing. Damn. I have no idea if this is even. Is it even? So like, I don't know where the layers are gonna come in. Especially if I'm bringing it around from the back, because this is the back of my head. So I don't know how I'm meant to cut it. No, this is stupid. I don't know what I'm doing. Ugh. Less hair? Less scary? No. I'm getting it pretty even. If anything, it's just a trim. Just a trim. I'm not seeing shape. I'm not seeing shape. Oh God. I'm seeing a short bit and then a long bit. What the hell? Oh, I might try the unicorn ponytail thing. I know you're meant to brush it out. I should probably brush it out. Ugh, I'm gonna brush it. I feel like because I've now started to brush it out, I have to brush out the whole thing. Otherwise, half of it's gonna be straight and half's gonna be curly. But even this side, that looks uneven. I'm gonna wet it, I'm gonna wet it. Well, this is taking longer than I thought. It's good. take just the fringe part. Oh my god, I'm terrified. Okay, there, stop. I literally have so much to do today. Like, why is today the day that my brain is like, do it now? Okay, I'm gonna have to go to the mirror and come back. I don't know if I'm meant to cut it this way or this way. I should cut it like, no. Wait. Oh god, angles. Like, see, now I'm just overthinking it, like, so it needs to be like this. Yeah, like this. Okay. Oh my god, my brain. I don't know if, oh, did you even see that? Ooh! Did you hear that cry? That was my knees. Oh, it's even! Okay, I'm gonna take a bit less now. Okay, it's good enough. It's good enough for me. Oh, my knees. Okay, well that's how long it is, and if I'm gonna try and turn these into bangs, I feel like it needs to come to at least my mouth, right? Because this is stretched out. So say it has half, it will be like here. Oh my god. It's happening. It's happening! Everybody stay calm. Nobody panic. Just done. Is that straight? In the camera, it doesn't look straight. Oh my god, it's not straight. It's very much not straight. Oh lord. Like, when I put it, it looks straight. That looks straight, no? But then I let it go, and what is this doing? Maybe I need to cut it at like the angle again. Anyway, ugh. I feel like I have to just wash it. I feel like I just have to wash it and then see what happened. To see what I did. Ooh, oh, oh. I'm saying oh, but I can't see anything. There's some kind of shape thing going on there. Yeah. That's a shape. That's kind of a shape. I mean, that is quite drastic though, from this to this, right? I feel like this needs to go, and this one definitely needs to go. Oh wait, but the bottom bit's not brushed out fully. Da, da, dilemmas. Okay, I'm gonna wash it and then come back. It's looking a bit choppy. I'm not gonna lie. I cut off a little bit more. So yeah, I guess I'm just gonna style it now and see what happens. So my camera died. Both batteries. I mean, I look like that kid from what's that cartoon? You know, the old Cartoon Network. I'm exhausted and I'm starving. Okay, so this is it at first, 65% dry. So there is shape. The bangs are way too long and not shaped properly. Obviously I'm gonna recut this. I feel like I've got a Jerry curl. It's fine. It's fine. I mean, it's literally just been washed. I feel like it always takes a couple days for it to settle in, right? Oh, this color is cute. I don't want to cut it. Jerry curl. I don't know. I think once it's completely dried, because at the moment it's like the product I use is really sticky, so I just feel really gross. From this side it looks cute. It definitely looks healthier, and the like blonde bits that were grown out. Okay, I need to stop fiddling with it. The blonde bits that were dead and grown out, they're basically gone now. So yeah, my hair looks healthier for sure. I actually love it. I actually love it. I did this. Guys, I did this. It's cute. Okay, I went out in the rain today. And I had to like tie it up. But no, it's actually it's cute. I don't know why I didn't do this before. You know when you just feel like you need a change, like you haven't become your best self yet. This is the moment. This is the moment. I am now my best self. Visually. This little one is annoying me. I'm gonna have to fix that at some point. But yeah. What do we think? Is it a good addition? Oh, who needs to pay a stupid amount when you can do it yourself? I actually can do everything.